Welcome. It's Sunday evening. I pulled out my phone so that we can translate this super duper Chinese documentation. Let's see what happens here. D1 in the circus anti-power source to reverse the diode connected. Multi-way waveform generator. Okay. What if I turn it horizontal like this? Can I get more of it translated? Yes. I always need another hand. Okay. So what does the backside have to say? Um, well, we're upside down. That's what it has to tell me. Resistor codes, table. Okay, so this is a single form wave generator. We don't need that for the moment. So that's what this thing is. So we have this one, this item to build, and the Bluetooth speaker to build. So what do we got in here? I think this is one of those little quality assurance things. So let's see what we got here. Board. Lots of different resistors. Resistors. Caps. Timer. Wow, that is... You expect me to surface mount a... Wow, this is all bent. I don't think that's what we want here. There we go. Let's see. The far pin is a little bent. That should go into here. So, just like that. Actually, that might be the first thing I actually do, is that socket. Okay, so what else we got here? Transistor, rheostat, another resistor, our chip, our 555 timer chip. It's a good thing, even if this is broken, I've got tons of them. Yeah, there we go. Lots and lots of different caps. Little thingy. And what the hell? Oh, a jumper block. Okay. Oh, diode. And more caps. Okay. So, mouse. Make sure we're over here. Okay, so let us begin with soldering this socket on here. I need something just to be under there. Kind of like this. So let's get our solder out here. Wow. Get our glasses off because we can't see a thing. There we go. Now we can bring the tool in. I think I'll put it in this way. It's pretty warm in this corner. I wonder if I should go get the fan. There we go. Okay. This one will be pretty straightforward to put together. Let's see what we got here. We have electrolytic pap over here at 4.7. This one. Okay. Okay, so C2 is a 473. So what do we got here? 104, 103, 473. There's one. What do we got here? 473 number 2. What do we got here? 473 number 3. And what do we got here? 473s. Okay, and what we got here? 103 and 104. Wow. Just a sec, be right back. Okay. I think the west sun heats this place up in the evening. It's really, really warm. So we need a 73 down here. All I have to say, these are very small holes. The pads on these guys, pretty tiny. Now, 3 473s here. So 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And we need to bend the leads like so. So let's get our little gizmo here to hold our stuff. There we go. And we need our solder. I pulled a new spool just in case the little guy, I can't even find it because of my glasses. Okay, so let's get this in. Too much solder. There we go. Trash can. Cutters. Whoops. Well, that was not good. That means I could step on it. There we go. I can't even see or feel if I dropped it on my leg or not. Ah, there it is. Okay, so what do we got? Caps over there. So then we got C3 103. 103. Right here. There's another 104 right there. So these two bend their legs. Okay. Now I still have two more caps. Okay, so C9 is a 103. Okay. Then we have one more. C5 is a 104. Yep. Don't worry, I have tons of these caps also. So, okay. Let's put those caps in place. And there's my short piece of solder that was almost complete. Time for a fresh roll. There we go. Come on, copper, get into the bin. There we go. It's popping out on me. Okay. Cutters. Time for the cutters in the trash can again. Okay, so here we go. These two. Okay. There we go. Those caps are in. So let's deal with the resistors. Oh, there's a diode in here too. So one diode. Where's my lead bender? There we go. This time I promised to put the diode in correctly. So there's a band down there. There we go. There, one diode. Okay, so now we need resistors. So our first resistors of the day. Couldn't pick them up off the mat. So our first one's here. 5 band, brown at both ends. So it's either brown, red, black, black, brown, or brown, black, black, red, brown. So which one are you? This is where the other card comes in handy. This one from Smaza. So that we can deal with 5 color resistors. So if we're brown, black, black, that's 100 with a red multiplier 2. Or we're 1, 2, 0, 0, 1200. Now, do we have a 1200 resistor in here? 1K, 1 megohm, 100K, 150. No, we didn't. So there is none like that. So it has to be the other way around. So it has to be brown, black, black. So 100 and multiply 0, it's 1000. There should be 3 of them. And I find 3 of them. Okay, so these are 1000. Now, of course, we better just really, really, really make sure of that. 10.04 ohms. Well, I don't have a 10.04 ohms. Are we sure about this? $10.04. Why are these 10 ohms? Let's take this batch of 3 right here. 1K, 10K, 10K, 1K. So this is 10K, this is 1K. What are these two? So according to this, 10K I should have 3, 1K I should have 3. Oops. 991, 999, 993. I have 2 of these. .99. Are we in megohms? Oh, we're in megohms. Can we change that? One megohm. So these are 1 megohm. And according to this, I have 1 of them, but I have 2 showing here. No, I do have 1. 1. And then this guy here is 14.8K, 15K. I have 1. And then I have this guy here. Yeah, come on. Quit bouncing. $4.7K. Okay. Where's the other multimeter? Do I have those in here? Where's the other multimeter? Where is the other multimeter? Oh, there it is. Let's borrow the other multimeter. The other multimeter has clips on it. Clips. It's easier to do resistors with clips. And we have 100K. Are they both the same? Yep. So here's the 100K resistors. Okay. So they're saying R1, R4, and R11 are 1K. And I should have 3 of them. And apparently, I have 1K in my hand. I have another cap over here. So what one is this? Oh, this is the megohm. No good. And I have orange in the band, and this one has... Oh, this is not it. 15K. Has to be one of these 3 batches here. 3. 10K. Not this one. What about you? 1K. There we go. 3 1Ks right there. Right here. So, where's my lead bender? Come on, guys. There we go. Lead bender. We'll bend some leads here. So they're saying R1, R4, and R11. So let's find it. R5, 6, 7, 8. R4. Did you say R4? Yeah, R4. So there's R4. R1. There's R1. Did I put brown to the... Nah, it doesn't really matter. Double brown. Okay, let's flip it around. You set the orientation for everyone on the vertical. There we go. So I've got R1 and R4, and they said R11 is the other one. So where is R11 at the top? There we go. Let's try not to push a resistor through. Okay, so that leaves the 1 megohm at R8. So, was it you? No, that's 4.6K, 4.7K. How about you? I think you're 1 megohm. Nope. 15K. Okay, how about you? Okay. 1 megohm. Okay, so here's our 1 megohm. Lead bending. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm sweating to death here on the heat. 1 megohm. R8. Way over here. So put that in there. Okay. R3 is 4.7, so I just had the 4.7. Had 4.7 and 15K here, so one of the two. 4.7. Okay. Oh, come on, guys. There we go. 4.7 bend the leads. And they said R3 is 4.7. So R1, R2, R10, R9, R3 right here. There we go. Eat. There we go. Okay. That was R3. Let's actually solder some of these and then do another batch. The leads will get in the way. I think I got them all. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so clip this off. Swap the glasses for the stand. Here we go. I feel like a documentary with the running dialogue. Oh, I can hardly even see the blades. There we go. Whoops. No, we don't throw that in there. Okay, a couple more leads here. There we go. Okay, that can go back over there for a sec. That can go here. So, we got a pop. Oh, come on, William. You pushed one up. Ah! Somehow I pushed this one up. There we go. Okay, where's my little cutters again? Straighten that one out. Okay. Okay. Our next batch of resistors. So we completed R3. So we got an R5, 6, and 7 are all 10K and they're 3. So one of the this 3 batch up here maybe. These ones right here. So yep, 10K. So all 3 of these are 10K. So I just wish this little red tool for bending leads hadn't been so expensive. But it is worth it. I still need to get the pin straightener. I mentioned that before. I think that'll be important. It would have helped on that 555 timer chip, for example, straightening the pins out. Okay, so we have 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, 7, right there. So let's see, we're doing that direction. Okay, that's 1. I'm going to push it down in a sec here. Just a sec. I was putting the red toward the top. There we go. And one more red. There we go. So, push all these resistors down. So they're all nice and flat. And let's solder these 3 in. Okay. Hopefully I will not pop a resistor out. There we go. So, trash can, of course. Whoops. Yes, yes, Williams. You gotta stop doing that. Okay. There we go. Okay, so those resistors are in place. We're getting there. Now, according to this, R2, 15K. William, be careful what you click on the mouse board, keyboard. Okay, so 15K. I think there's only one 15K here, and that is this. This, I believe, is the 15K resistor. Yep. 15K. 14.89 actually. But within the tolerance of the resistor, yes. Okay, so they said this was R2. So R2, where is R2? Right there. That's R2. Now, according to this, R9 and R10 are 100K. That's the last two. That should be 100K resistors here. We'll find out in a sec. Trick question. 200K resistors in parallel. What is it? If you know your Ohm's law, parallel resistors is divided by 2 for 2 of them. So if you do this, you put 2 of them like this, and you put 2 of them like this, and you don't drop the leads on the floor, and you go like this, 50K. 50K. See? Ohm's law works again. So we take this out, and we take our little bender. One bend. Two bend. Okay, so they're saying the last two resistors, the 100K, are R9 and R10. So R9, R10. Right there. So let's put them in. Push them down. So nice and even. Okay, solder these guys in. Apparently still have another cap somewhere. Okay, glasses off. Solder. Here we go. Glasses on. And cutting tool. Okay. One more lead. There we go. Our resistors are done. Caps are done, except for one cap. We still have one more to do. Right here. But I think I'm going to do the transistors. So we've got... Oh... We've got Q1 9013. Two of the identical transistors. So let's see. 9013s. Yes. Okay, so... Oh, they're making us make a triangle. So we need to bend the lead, the middle lead out the base. The base emitter and collector. There, like so. Except we just put it in backwards. William, pay attention to the orientation. We'd add the base in right, but we would add the collector and the emitter backwards. It wouldn't do a very good transistory job if we did that. So if you're ever making a PCB board, always put the orientation of the transistor in as a whiteout on the board. There we go. It's one. And we have another one down here. So middle leg pops out. A bit like that. No. The other way around, William. You almost did it again. There we go. Flat that way. Yes, these transistors have a flat side, so I have to make sure I put the flat side oriented with the flat side. There we go. Okay. Time for some soldering. Okay. Now these are important that you don't be slow on these. You don't want to melt them. Meaning don't let heat transfer through the legs. There we go. Trim them off. We've got the transistors done. These will really go flying because they're a stiffer leg. Okay, so the two transistors. Now I think I'll put this cap in the center of the board. So, negative that way, positive that way. So this goes like this. Oh. Okay. I do see a potential for a short here. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, okay, we're apart. There we go. Now, we have this, which is the potentiometer, and it's going to go right here. Glasses off on this one. There we go. So one pot. Looks like all the parts are on. Just let me double check on the mat here. So this is garbage, this is garbage, this is garbage. This is garbage. This is just the bag. That leaves the chip to place in the socket, and then we got a bunch of jumpers. So round, 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 round. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we have a bunch of twos here. Twos. There we go. So we have one here. I can protect my fingers by just putting the jumper block on. Ah, there we go. Put the jumper block on here. And we'll do another one here. Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 4 jumper blocks. And guess what? We don't have enough. They didn't supply enough. They made the bar too short. Okay, no problem. We do have more. I have another one pre-cut right there. And that's why you go to AliExpress, and that's why you get lots of these things. So let's put our jumper block on. So we can do this one. Wow, I can't even get it in. There we go. Hmm. Okay, another one. And another one. And one more. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Power. Control the wave, and then which wave you want. And then the output. Not bad. Have to try it out tomorrow. But I don't have my oscilloscopes kind of set up. So I need to do that. Yes, if I don't turn that particular multimeter off. No, actually I have two more kits to do. We have the speaker kit and the clock kit to do. But it is literally melting here. So I think I will cut it here because I am melting. And I do not want to dissolve at my electronics bench. So probably, oh, we're going to need one of these jumpers. So let's just put it on here. And this will be it for this one. I'm going to test this tomorrow. Not at the moment. I have to get my leads, find my leads for my oscilloscope, and remember how to actually use the thing. I haven't used it in a while, so I need a refresher course. So stop the recording.